video is going to be a super quick week of breakfasts. I'm going to call it like a week of breakfast for my kids or something like that, because this isn't necessarily what I ate every day. Some days I eat the same as the kids and other days I don't. I eat eggs for breakfast at least 3 or 4 days a week. And so you guys don't want to see eggs every single day. But this video is going to be what my kids eat for breakfast for a week. So I hope you enjoy it. Last night I boiled some eggs so that they'd be all ready for today's breakfast. I try to prep as much as I can before, and then we have some protein balls here. I've shared these before in a video. They are oatmeal, peanut butter, raisins, chocolate chips, flax seeds, chia seeds, rolled into balls and put in the fridge, and that's a really yummy breakfast or snack. And then each of the kids also has a half a banana to eat. For today's breakfast, I cooked up some steel-cut oats. We have some fresh raspberries from the garden on top. We like to sweeten our oatmeal with maple syrup, and then we will put some milk on this as well to cool it down. And that's our breakfast today. I love breakfast that I can prep the day before, and then the next morning we can just kind of grab and go. So that's the case with these muffins. I made these raspberry muffins, cut them in half and buttered them, and then each of the kids has some banana with peanut butter on it. The kids really eat their bananas well like this, and it also just adds some protein to the start of their day. This morning we had to head out the door really early, and so last night I took out some whole wheat bread. I spread some peanut butter and honey onto it and just made these sandwiches so that we could just grab them in the morning, and the kids actually ate this in the van this morning on our way out the door. And then I also have some bananas here, and so we'll grab a couple of those and the kids will eat those in the drive as well. They are definitely ripe and ready to be eaten. Friday morning is always cereal day for us, which the kids look forward to so much. We have some Honey Puff Delight today, some Sweet Wheat Bundles, Shreddies, and Raisin Bran. So the kids absolutely love Fridays when they get to have cereal. That's their favorite for sure. And that is our breakfast for the week. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you maybe got some breakfast ideas from this video. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to do a week of dinners, and so keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.